Hi everyone, in this video we're going to talk about how to download a TikTok video without a watermark on it. It's the newest update, a very easy way, because you always, when you want to download a TikTok video, there are a lot of watermarks on it, or it's just not logical to use for example, your own videos. So I'm gonna tell you how and what to do. Let's open up TikTok up first.
Cause I'm not ready.
Outside is
If this is your aesthetic,
I really like this video because it's really
check out my home decor on my Amazon storefront. If this is your aesthetic,
for the copy link. So it's
check out my home decor on my Amazon storefront. If this is your aesthetic,
click on it and go away from TikTok. Now you're gonna do is you open up your Chrome or your web browser, go to Google and search for Snaptic. And now you search for the website that is snaptic.app. So that's the first one at mine. Click on it and then click on the blue button paste. Click on paste and now you can click on the green button download. So as you can see, this is the exact video I was just watching. And now I can click on the blue button download. I will maybe see an ad and I have to click on the X. But that's just it, and it will download to my camera roll or to my files. That's how simple it is to download a video TikTok without a watermark. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.